So guys, now listen to me. I am starting tomorrow. I will definitely conduct test of factorization. Its maximum marks is 20, guys. So guys, there are 4 methods of factorization: all common, pair common, identity, and breaking the linear term. So guys, always remember when teacher said factorize, teacher will definitely give you terms. What are terms mean, guys? The part of algebraic expression separated by plus or minus sign. We know that, guys. We learned in integer plus and minus separating term. Every number of sign before it will be positive or negative. This positive and negative sign make terms. So look here, guys, very carefully. Look here, guys. 143 a square b c minus 99 a b square c plus 22 a b c square. So guys, we know that when the teacher said factorize the algebraic expression. So guys, first of all, we will check the terms. Because the word factorize mean make the algebraic expression single term. What does terms mean, guys? We know that we learned in integer every number of sign before it. This sign before the number make term. This sign before the number make term. So this minus separate 143 a square b square c square. This plus separate minus 99 a square a b square c from 22 a b c square. So guys, we have now 3 terms. Okay. So guys, the first method of finishing the term, the first method of factorization is always all common factor method. What is this method, guys? What is, first of all, what is common factor? Common factor is a number or a variable or a bracket which can divide all the 3 terms of the algebraic expression. So guys, what is common factor? Factor means a number which can divide, common factor means a number which can divide all the 3 terms. So guys, in this method, what we will do, we will try to find the common factor in all the terms together. So guys, we always start common factor with the number. So guys, what is first number? The first number is 143. The second number is 99. The third number is 22. Is there any number? Is there any common factor? Common factor means a number which can divide 143 also, a number which can divide 99 also, a number which can divide 22. Yes, guys. Is there any number which can divide all 3 of them?
11.
11. Very good. 11 is a common factor. So yes, we have a common, all common factor this time. And this all common is, guys, 11. Okay, because 11 13 times, 11 9 times, and 11 22 times. What is common factor? Common factor means a number which can divide all the 3 numbers, all the numbers in all the 3 terms. Okay, then come to the variable. Yes, when we use variable as a common factor, if the variable is present in all the terms. So guys, if you look here, a is in all the term. In the first term, it's a square. In the second term, guys, it's a. In the third term, guys, it's a. So we always use a square mean a into a. And this is only a, this is o. So guys, what is common factor? Common factor is a, common variable with the smallest power. So guys, yes, we have a common factor. So we have a common factor here, a. Okay. So look here, guys.
And in third term,
yes, wait.
11 multiplied 2.
Wait. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. 11 2 times is 22. Thank you. Now, guys, what is our common factor? A is common in all the terms. So a square divided by a. So, guys, we have left a. Okay. Then a square divided by a cut. A square divided by a cut. Okay. Then, guys, come to the next variable. What is next variable, guys? B. So B is in the first term, B is also in the second term, B is also in the third term. It means, guys, in the first term we have B, in the second term we have B square, in the third term we have. So guys, we always use common variable with small power. Remember, common variable with small power. So guys, this time we have a common variable. Yes, guys, it means B is a common factor. So this common factor divide with first term, B cut, B square divided by B left, and B cut. Now come to the third variable, the third variable C. So C is in the first term, in the second term, O, it's also in the third term. It's mean, guys, C is also a common factor. C is a common factor, guys. So divide with all the terms, C cut, C square divided by C. So guys, what we have left? We have left in the first term we have left 13a. In the second term we have left this sign minus this 9 and this b. So guys, we have left minus 9b. In the third term, guys, we have left this plus, this 2 and this c. So guys, we have left plus 2c. This is called all common factor method. Got it or not, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, giving you one more example of all common, okay? Please pay attention, guys. 9x bracket 2x minus 3 minus 5 2x minus 3. Whenever the teacher said factorize, it means teacher will definitely give you more than one term. If you look here very carefully, guys, we know that every number of sign before it, it will be positive or it will be negative. This positive and negative making parts. So look here, guys, this minus making two terms. So guys, this is my first term and guys, this is my second term. So guys, the first method is all common factor method. Whenever teacher said factorize, the first method is always all common factor method. This is the first method, guys. All common factor method. What is this method, guys? We are doing factorization. We will do factorize here. Factorize means divide. So guys, first of all, we will try to find the common factor. In this method, we will try to find the common factor in all the terms. So we have, guys, only two terms. First term, second term. So we will try to find the common factor. Common factor means a number which can divide both the term, a variable which can divide both the term, or a bracket which can divide both the term. So guys, we always start with number. So look here, guys. What is number in the first term? In the first term, guys, number is 9. Number is 9. This complete thing is, guys, bracket. Students had said there is a number here. No, consider it a complete bracket. There is a number here. This is complete bracket. So common factor of number, we start with number. So guys, is there any number which can divide 9 and 5? No, because 5 is a prime number. It is by itself. And 9 is not a multiple of 5. It's mean, guys, this time we don't have common factor of number. Okay. So guys, no common factor of number. Then we try the variable, guys. So what is variable here? X here. There is no variable here. Guys, please, this is complete bracket. Bracket के अंदर के number और variable को ignore करना because we also use bracket as a common factor. So guys, it's mean no common factor of variable. Then guys, what is left? Bracket. So if you look here very carefully, guys, yes, guys, this time this bracket is a common factor because this bracket is present in both the terms. So when variable is present in all the terms, so we will use variable as a common factor. When bracket is in both the terms, we will use this bracket as a common factor. So yes, guys, we have a common factor. So guys, what is our common factor? Our common factor is this bracket, 2x minus 3. So guys, this common factor divide with this first complete term. Okay, guys. So when we divide that with first complete term, so what will happen, guys? This is first term and this is my common factor. Okay. So first term divide by common factor. So bracket cancel. So guys, we have left 9x. So guys, look here, pay attention. This common factor bracket divide with bracket. So guys, what we have left? We have left, guys, 9x. Okay. Then this common factor also divide with second term. So guys, what is second term? The second term is minus bracket 2x minus 3. So guys, my common factor is 2x minus 3. Look here, guys. This is my common factor, guys. This is my common factor. The common factor divide with first term. When we divide it, bracket cut. So guys, what we have left? We have now left this minus 5. So we put it inside the bracket. Is it clear, guys? So you must show just these steps. But this is also all common. Now, guys, moving to the pair common method. So guys, look here. I'm giving an example of pair common. Okay, guys, now look. So guys, look here. I'm giving the algebraic expression. The algebraic expression is this time 6x squared plus 4x. Hamza, what happened?
Sir, can you show that one, the last one that you did with Now the outside one are common.
Wait a minute. Yes, Hamza, what? This one?
Then now 9x and minus 5 are common. If you do it like that.
Wait, what are you saying? Look here, Hamza, please pay attention. This is the given algebraic expression, Hamza. Okay? This is the given algebraic expression. Hamza, we will doing all common. All common means the common factor in both the terms. Common factor will be a number, or common factor will be a variable, or common factor will be a bracket. So this time, the number in this first term and this last second term is 9 and 5. Is there any number which can divide 9 and 5 both? Because we are doing all common factor. We are finding common factor in both the terms. No, there is no common factor of 9 and 5. So 9 and 5 number is not a common factor. Then, Hamza, come to variable. So what is variable? Variable is in the first term, but there is no variable here. So variable is not a common in both the terms. Then come to the bracket. So look here, Hamza. Bracket is in the first term as in the second term. So if you look here very carefully, both the bracket are same. So we use the same bracket as a common factor. From the same bracket we use here as a common factor. So 2x minus 3 is my common factor. So this common factor divide with first term. It will divide with first term. It also divide with second term. Okay. So when we divide with both the term, so bracket cancel, bracket cancel. So Hamza, what is left? It is left 9x in the first term and minus 5 in the second term. So in all common, whatever the number variable is left, we write in the bracket. So this is your final answer. Is it clear, Hamza, now?
Yes, sir.
No, but if there is instead of 9 there is 15 and both
Okay.
numbers are
Yes. Look here. 5x square, 2x minus 3, look here, minus 10x, 2x minus. So we know that, guys, first of all, we know that when teacher said factorize, so teacher, they give you definitely more than one term. So there are, this time we have two terms. So it means, guys, we will find the common factor in first term and in second term. This is called all common. All common mean we find common factor in both the term. So common factor mean a number which can divide both of them, a variable which can divide both of them, or a bracket which divide both of them. So we start with number. Yes, this time we have a common factor of 10 and 15. So what is a common factor? So guys, a common factor is 5. Then come to the variable. X is in first term, X is in second term. X is again a common variable because it is in both the term. So we will use common variable with the small power. Then guys, if you look here very carefully, this time the bracket is also common. So look here, guys, this time we have bracket also common. This 2x minus 3 is in the first term also. This 2x minus 3 in the second term also. So guys, this time we have a common factor of number also, variable also, and bracket also. So guys, this is my common factor. So guys, look here, this common factor, look here very good. We divide with both the term. What is first term? This is my first term. So this common factor 5x and 2x minus 3. Look here, this is my common factor. Divide with first term. It also divide with second term 5x and 2x minus 3. So guys, this common factor divide by both the term. That's why we call it all common factor. A number which can divide both the term. So look here, guys. So if you look here very carefully, guys, yes, 5 one time, number cancel with number, 5 3s are 15. Variable cancel with variable, x square divided by x left, and this bracket cancel with this bracket. Okay. Then guys, also divide with second term. So 5 1s are 5, number with number, variable with variable, and bracket with bracket. So guys, if you look here very carefully, what we have left now, guys. So look here, guys. Now we have left, look here. In the first term, now we have left only 3x. Okay. In the second, guys, now we have left only minus 2. So this is our final answer. Now it's clear, beta? Yes?
yes, sir.
Now move to the second method. Please, beta, pay attention. Now move to the second method. Now second method is if we don't have common factor in all the terms, जहाँ पर सारे term में common factor नहीं होता, then we move to second method. Okay, the second method is called pair common factor. Okay, guys. What student did, guys, when I said factorize? Student mix everything. They mix factorize, simplify, and expand. When I said factorize, what they did, they are doing simplification, they are doing separator, check term, they do it like this, check term, gather the same term, put sign of bigger number. They did like this, guys. This is not factorization. This is simplification. This is simplification. You did simplification expansion in book 1. Still मैं आपको इतनी डिटेल में बता रहा हूँ. I know आपको डिटेल नहीं पता, still इतनी डिटेल में बता रहा हूँ. Still you are confused because you are not concentrating on my lecture, guys. What does simplify mean? What does expand mean? And what does factorize mean? This time I am not said simplified. I said factorize it, beta. So factorize means make the algebraic expression single term. So single term has 4 methods. Number 1 is all common factor method. In this method, we will find the common factor together in all the term. What is common factor? A number which can divide this term, this term, this term, this term. A variable which can divide this term, this term, this term, this term. A bracket which can divide this term, this term, this term, this term. So all common, guys, there is a number, there is a variable, or there is a bracket in all the term which can divide all the term. Okay, guys, now. So we start with number. So guys, what is our first number? The first number is 6. What is our second number? 4. The third term is 15. The fourth term is 10. Is there any number which can divide all of them? So guys, if you look here very carefully, there is a common factor of 6, 4 and 10, but not 15. There is a common factor of 6 and 4 and 5 and 10, but not all of them. So guys, this time we don't have all common factor. All common factor of number mean a number which can divide all the 4 numbers together. Then come to the variable. When we use variable as a common factor, when this variable is lie in all the term, but x is not in the last term. If variable is not present in all the term, so we will not consider it as a common variable. So guys, this time we don't have common factor of number, common factor of variable, common factor of bracket. Then we move to the next method. Then the next method, guys, now we will again take common factor of number, variable and bracket, but this time, guys, in pairs. So what is pair, guys? Pair mean a group of 2 terms. Always remember, guys, pair mean a group of 2 terms. A group of 2 terms. Is it clear, guys? So guys, remember, if there is no common factor in all the terms, then we forming groups. So guys, look here, when you are forming groups, when you a group, guys, a pair including 2 terms. So guys, when you arrange 2 terms together, always remember we need a common factor. Okay, guys. So look here, guys. So now I'm doing pair common. So look here, guys. Please read. So look here, guys. Now I'm taking these 2 terms in my first pair. So guys, is there any common in these 2 terms? We need in pair common. We definitely need a common in pair. Is there any common in this pair, guys?
2x? Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. What is the common factor of 6 and 4? It is, guys, 2. What is common factor of x square and x? So guys, common variable with small power. So yes, we definitely have a common factor. And common factor is, guys, 2 and x. So this common factor, guys, look here, guys, look here, guys. So the first pair is, guys, 6x square. So guys, we know that 6x square means x into x. Then plus 4x. 4x means 4 into x. Okay, basic algebra. Then what is our common factor? Our common factor is, guys, this time 2 and x. So guys, this common factor divide with first term also, divide with second term also. So number with number, 2 1s are 2 3s are, variable with variable. So guys, what we have left? We have left 3 and x. Also divide with second term, 2 number with number, variable with variable. So guys, what we have left? So guys, we have left in this pair, we have left 3x. Yes. And guys, we have left 2. Is it clear, guys? Then move to the second pair, guys. When we move to the second pair, guys, this is my second pair. So guys, is there any common in this both the term? We definitely, if you're doing pair common, so we definitely need a common in this pair. Is there any common in this pair, guys?
5.
5
Minus
is
5.
common. But guys, remember, minus 15x and minus 10. when we factorize, when we take it,
-5.
guys, listen to me, please listen to me. When we move to the second pair, so guys, first of all, we use sign as a common factor. In the first pair, we use number and variable, but not sign. But in the second pair, first of all, we take sign common. If both plus, we take plus. If both minus, we take minus. If one plus and one minus, so use a sign which exactly give you this plus 3x and plus 2. Because in pair common, we need both the brackets same. So guys, if both are minus, I'm taking minus common and 5 common. So guys, what is my common factor? My common factor is -5. So it divides with first term of the second pair, it divides with second term of the second pair. Is it clear? So minus is what? Plus 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15. So we have left plus 3 and we have left x. So what is left, guys? We will always write inside the bracket. Divide with second term of the second pair. So minus is what? Plus 5 ones are 5, 2s are. So what we have left? Plus 2. So look at it. Minus and this minus is plus 5, 2s are 10. So guys, in pair common, always remember when we divide both the pair with a common factor, we need same bracket. So what is common factor in the first pair? 2x. So when we divide with the pink pair, it gives us 3x plus 2. What is next pair? Blue one. So what is the common factor? -5. When we divide with -5, it gives us the same bracket. Yes, guys, we get the same bracket. Then guys, now look here. So we get the same bracket. So guys, look here. So we use this same bracket as a common factor. We use this same bracket as a common factor. So guys, now this 3x plus 2 is my common factor. So now we divide this common factor with this first term. So this cut, 2x left, this cut, -5 left. But most of the teacher explained in this way, guys. They said, what they said, guys, when you get the same bracket, they said, just write the same bracket once. So what is same bracket? 3x plus 2. They said, write it once and put both the factor. This first factor of first pair, this factor of second pair inside the bracket. Okay, guys. May I move to the next one, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, now we are factorizing algebraic fraction. So, guys, remember, when I said factorize the algebraic fraction, whenever I said factorize the algebraic fraction, so guys, please always remember, don't start with all common, pair common. Do not start with all common and pair common. Always remember, guys, whenever you have algebraic fraction, we will directly start with algebraic identity. These three special algebraic expressions are called algebraic identity. Okay. The second one, a square minus 2ab plus b square. The result is, guys, a minus b whole square. And this is the last one, a square minus b square. The result is bracket a plus b, a minus b. So many people ask me, sir, whenever we have this case, so can we write this, sir? Can we write this, sir? No. Why this? What is the result of this identity? The result of identity, this is called difference of 2 square. This is called difference of 2 square. A square minus. So its result is always product of the sum and difference of 2 terms. Then why are you using this result? Who said use this result? Who said use this result? So guys, please don't ask stupid questions now, please. Identity means you have to recognize it. You have to identify it. Pehchanna hai aapko, guys. So now learn it, identify it, recognize it. So how can we recognize it, guys? We know that the way of recognize it, guys, we know that in all the three identities, if in all the three identities, the first term and last term, the first term and last term, the first term and last term. When we're doing factorization with algebraic identity, we always check the first term and the last term. Because in all the three identities, the first term and the last term must be a perfect square number. Okay, guys, so first of all, we check first term and last term. So look here, guys, pay attention. Yes, it is a perfect square number. 11 into 11, x into x, 7 into 7. It is a perfect square. So guys, if it is a perfect square, then it is representing, guys, a square. It is representing a square. Now come to the last term. Yes, it is a perfect square. 17 into 17. Y into y. If this is a perfect square, so guys, then it is representing b square. And what is sign between them? Minus. So guys, we So guys, we recognize it. What is this algebraic expression? This algebraic expression is matched with this identity. Okay, guys. Now, guys, please pay attention. Just give me a few minutes, guys. So guys, we always, when we're doing factorization, algebraic fraction, we directly use identity. So for identity, we need first term of perfect square. Yes, it is perfect square. We need last term of perfect square. Yeah, it is perfect square. What is between them? So guys, this given algebraic fraction is matched with this identity. So whenever we have this identity, guys, this is not the result. Wrong. Okay. So don't ask me, sir, can I use this answer? If you write this is also wrong. So guys, we know that whenever we have difference of two square, its result is always product of the sum and difference of two terms. So guys, in the result, I need A and B, but this pink shaded one is A. This complete thing is A square. This complete thing is B square. But in the result, guys, I need A and B. So guys, how can we get this A from this A square? So I only need this A from this A square. I only need B from this B square. So guys, how can you get this A from A square? So guys, the square root of this A square, the square root of this B square will give us A and B. Okay, guys, so what is square root of this 121? It is 11. Square root of 49, it is 7. Square root, wait, guys. So guys, look here. What is square root of 121? It is 11. Square root of 49, it is 7. Square root of x square, it is x. So guys, this 11 upon 7x, the square root is A. Then come to B. I don't need B square. That is what I need B. And this complete thing is B squared. So how can we get this B from this B squared? The guys, square root. The square root of this is 17 and y. So guys, I need A and B both. So guys, the result is A plus B and A minus B. So what is A, guys? This is A. 11 upon 7y. What is A, guys? 11 upon 7.
11 upon 7x.
11 upon 7x.
Oh, sorry. Okay, guys, so 11 upon 7x. What is B, guys? B is 17y. B is 17y. So, guys, this is your answer. Simple. It's not difficult, guys. Now, guys, come to the next one. I'm giving you another example of algebraic fraction. So look here, guys. 49 upon 64 b square minus 7 upon 6 b cube, then guys plus 4 upon 9 q square. Okay, guys. Now look here, guys. 2 minutes are left. So guys, whenever we give us, I give you algebraic fraction, I said factorize. So guys, we directly using identity. For identity, we know that how can we recognize this algebraic expression? So we need a perfect square number. Yes, it is a perfect square number. We need a perfect square. Yes, it is a perfect square. So this is b square. This is a square. And in the middle, guys, it is 2ab. So guys, the result is always a minus b whole square. So guys, teacher आपको shortcut सिखाते हो, इस तरह shortcut सिखाते हैं. Teacher said, what is a? The square root of first term. So guys, it is 7 upon 8b. So guys, it is 2 upon 3q. The teacher said directly right answer. It is 7 upon 8p. Yes, 7 upon 8p minus 2 upon 3q square. But guys, I always said no, don't do this. Always check this, guys. We need this. So guys, how can we check this? We will verify it. So please verify to 7 upon 8p. This is A, guys. What is B, guys? B is what, guys? B is 2 upon 3q. So look here, guys. Look here, guys. 2 7s are 14. 14 2s are 28 upon 24 pq. If we simplify it, guys, so look here. 7 4s are, 4 7s are 4 6 are. So it give you the same thing, guys. Look here. It is here. Then you will write this answer, guys. My duty start. Wait, guys. So guys, I'm starting the lecture. Class is over, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.